Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Hi, good day, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to the Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su channel. I'm Hameedah Su. Today, we can talk about the level problem. And then we have the simple Mediterranean ritual that can help to protect your level. Sometimes you have a party, you enjoy, and even you don't drink, you also can have a problem like for the liver, because we found out that we have a record that you did not drink, no alcohol, but you also have problem with liver. And then today we have the secret from the simple Mediterranean ritual, and then more benefit out of this is can promote also the healthy weight loss. Once more, come back to the your weight, right? It's really important. Sometimes you are overweight. It's cause many problems. Right? Mainly, even you have no sickness out of that, you feel uncomfortable. Right? Okay, so then we have not to lose much time. I can show you now my short, nice movie regarding this matter. Please stay with me until the end, and then for more details you can click the link below from my description or my pinned comment. The health is wealth. And then please also like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because your support, as you know, that means everything to me. Thank you for your trust and your support. Okay, we go now, and then I come back to you to say goodbye. No? Please stay until the end. Now let's go.
Protect your liver and promote weight loss with this ancient Mediterranean ritual. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su channel. Today we're talking about a simple Mediterranean ritual that can help to protect your liver and promote healthy weight loss, even if you enjoy a drink now and then. As you know, the liver is essential for our body's ability to burn fat. However, alcohol can have a negative impact on the liver, leading to excess lower abdominal fat or liver belly. Luckily, there is an ancient Mediterranean ritual that can help to naturally shield, cleanse, and purify your liver from the damaging effects of alcohol. This ritual is called the liver cleanse tea, and it's made with a combination of herbs and spices that have been used for centuries to support liver health. The ingredients in the liver cleanse tea include dandelion root. Dandelion root is a powerful liver detoxifier. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the liver from damage. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps to reduce inflammation in the liver. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful digestive aid that helps to improve liver function. To make the liver cleanse tea, simply combine all of the ingredients in a pot and simmer for 10-15 minutes. Strain the tea and drink it warm before you enjoy your next drink. The liver cleanse tea is a simple and effective way to protect your liver and promote healthy weight loss, even if you enjoy a drink now and then. Click the link in our video description or the posted comment below for a thorough explanation of this ceremony. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any of our next posts. We are grateful for your assistance with the Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su expedition. Cheers to being in better health. Until the next time, be careful, remain healthy, and savor a vibrantly balanced life.
Welcome back. Okay, thank you to stay with me until the end. Keep healthy, be well. See you by the next. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Okay, salah say bye-bye. See you by the next. Okay. Bye.